Fire in the Blackstone Hall. Let's cook some hot dogs. Look at this motley collection of people right here. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome once again to my Blackstone Griddle. What we're doing today is we're cooking up some big boy Hawaiian hot dogs. We've got some bacon. I've got the worst kind of bacon in existence. This is great value, low sodium bacon. Absolutely the worst bacon you can get. I highly recommend that you don't get this kind of bacon. I've got a couple of nice Costco dogs here. These are my favorite dogs. And I'm going to wrap in bacon. And it's real hard to wrap them in bacon when the bacon is just so crappy. But I'll do the best I can. Get my dog wrapped in bacon. I'm going to skewer it with a toothpick just to keep it together while I'm cooking it. Got cookies on the griddle. We're going to griddle our dogs today. We've got some pineapple slices that we got to griddle up as well. And let's get the dogs wrapped in bacon. We're going to get them on the griddle, get the pineapple slices on the griddle. We're going to make a pineapple salsa to go on our dogs. And it's going to be good. So let me get these dogs cooking. We'll show you what that looks like. Stay tuned. Okay, I got my Blackstone fired up. You really can't see the whole griddle though, can you? I'm going to get some of these pineapple slices. Maybe 3 of them will be enough. Pineapple slices. Get them cooking on there. Don't those pretty? Don't those pretty? Got our hot dogs cooking. We're going to get some, I got my buns that we're going to toast up over here. The left side of the griddle is on medium, the right side is turned off, but it gets hot just as well. So I'll toast up our buns over here. I got the fixings for my pineapple salsa coming. We just need to get a little bit of color on that pineapple, which is really starting to go fast. You can see that. And my dogs, we got to get our dogs cooked up. Get that bacon tight on there. So once the bacon cooks and the pineapple cooks, don't want that to burn. My Blackstone's getting a little hot these days. I got to turn it down a bit. And we're going to toast our buns. Oh, I got some jalapeno I need to cut up and griddle. Where's that at? Ah, right here. A jalapeno. Where's my knife? Oh, I guess I can, excuse me. I guess I can cut that up right on the griddle. Just gotta slice up some jalapeno. Fresh jalapeno. I know you can't see that because I'm out of your line of sight, but here we go. Some fresh jalapeno that we want to griddle that up as well. That goes in our salsa. Not in our salsa, but it'll go on the dogs. Let's get those jalapeno slices over here. Get them rocking. Got some more right here. That ought to be enough for 2 hot dogs, wouldn't you think? Just throw that one out. You could just discard that one. Let's cut up some more here. Here we go. Why not? We have them to do, so let's do that. Just dump that, dump that. Okay, we got our jalapenos rocking. We got our dogs rocking. Where's my tongs? Where'd my tongs go? Here they are. Never mind, I found them. Flip them dogs over. Get that bacon cooking. Don't that look good already? Oh yeah. Coming right along. Get a little color on our pineapple. There you go. Get a little color on our jalapenos. This is going to be good. You'll see. Just bear with me a little minute. Let's get this all cooked up and we'll put together a couple of awesome Hawaiian dogs. So stay tuned. Alright. Let's make this pineapple salsa. I've got my pineapples here. They've got a nice Maillard reaction gone to them. They've got toasted up a little bit. We're going to cut them up. They're still a little warm. I should have let them cool off a little bit. Cut them up small, diced into little pieces. Get them in a bowl. Sorry to make you watch that, but I should have done it ahead of time, I suppose. Get these pineapple slices cut up. They're still warm, like I said, right off the grill. And they got a little of that Maillard reaction on them, you know. Let's get those in a bowl. Pineapple slices. Cut these up. Oh yeah, looking good. Cut up our pineapple. Should have cut that up ahead of time, Root Boy. Make the people watch that. They don't want to watch you cut up food, I don't think. Anyway, yeah, you know, there's a few YouTube channels where they make you watch them cut an onion. I hate them. Anyway, yeah, let's get my pineapple in there. We're making a pineapple salsa. So we've got about 4 slices of pineapple. Got a bunch of cilantro to go in there. I think that's enough cilantro. I've got a lime. I'm going to squeeze a lime in there. If I can figure out how the lime squeezer goes. There it goes. Yeah, squeeze a lime, juice of a lime in there, my salsa. Set that aside. I've got some diced onion that I keep in the refrigerator. Diced onion for whenever I want a hot dog, I always have diced onion on hand. So we'll drop in some diced onion. I didn't bring a spoon. Well, I could use my knife, I guess. Should we put the rest of that cilantro in there? I don't know. Maybe. Why not? Chop up that cilantro. Get the cilantro in there. Chopped up. We'll have to mix the pineapple mixture up with a knife because I didn't bring a spoon. I gotta go get a spoon so I can spoon this onto my hot dogs. And I've got a little bit of rice wine vinegar. I'm just gonna put a drop of rice wine vinegar on there, just a touch for dressing. And that's my pineapple salsa. If I can get the top back on that and get it put away. Just gather up all these things that are spilled here. That'll be the pineapple salsa to go on top of our dogs. There we go. Okay, let's get that put aside. Let's put together some Hawaiian dogs. Stay tuned. Okay, let's put together these dogs. We got some Duke's mayonnaise. Got my toasted buns. Some Duke's mayo going down on the buns. Not cooperating, but going down anyway. And we've got your old pal, Dan, the rooster. Some rooster sauce on there. You know you like that. So does Angie. She doesn't watch anymore. She doesn't watch my videos anymore. Where's my spatula? My thing. Okay. So we got some mayo and some sriracha. Put down a dog. A bacon wrapped dog. There you go. Let go. Let go of that. Okay. Then we got our pineapple salsa to put on top of there. That we're going to mix up a little bit. Pineapple salsa. Artfully. Make it look nice on both sides. Pineapple salsa. Who would have thought that this would be something that you would want to eat? But it is. It's good stuff. Let me tell you what. Pineapple salsa. The pineapple salsa has onion, cilantro, some other stuff in it. Looking pretty good. Could have made more of that. Wouldn't have hurt. Wouldn't hurt a thing. And for the coup de grace, we got some grilled jalapenos to put on there. Grilled jalapenos. Put about 4 or 5 of them on each of these. There you go. Nothing like some grilled jalapenos to make everything rock. Rock right along. There you go. And that's it, I think. I think that's it for our Hawaiian hot dogs. How's that look? Not too shabby. What do you think? Let me do a money shot and get a beer, and I'll try and crab one of these in my mouth. So stay tuned. My Hawaiian hot dogs are done. Here's the Frosty Root Boy mug, star of the show. Here is today's beer. I wanted to get a Hawaiian beer, but I kind of dropped the ball on that. So I got my favorite beer of all time, Honey Love. Honey Love is a cream ale brewed with honey from the Tarpon River Brewing Company in Fort Lauderdale. My mouth is watering thinking about drinking this beer. This is the absolute epitome of the beer maker's craft. This is the best beer I've ever had. Tilt that glass and pour that beer. Oh my goodness, this is a beautiful, beautiful beer. Let me tell you what. Look at that. Oh, what a beautiful color. I love the can too. Honey Love. Honey Love. This is the best beer I've ever had. I love it. I gotta sniff that. Nah, it smells so good. It's got a high ABV, but it is delicious. I can't wait to get this in my mouth. Ah. Babies, if you can get a hold of this beer, go for it. Let me get my Hawaiian hot dogs down here and see if I can cram one in my mouth. Stay tuned. I tell you, normally I don't go for crazy hot dogs. I like, you know, normal stuff on them. But let me tell you what. Look at that dog. Don't that look good? I can't wait to get that in my mouth. I want to get some of that, some of everything in my gaping maw. Mmm. Mmm, mmm, mmm. Chewing. Wow. You know what? You know what puts that over the top? The jalapenos. They really make it. Babies, if you get a chance to try this recipe, I got cilantro stuck in my teeth. Let me get a swig. Ah, I love that beer. Anyway, if you get a chance to try this recipe, I highly recommend it. It's awesome. These are some awesome. If you have a Costco near you, and you can get some Costco dogs, they're the best. Wrapped in bacon, hit them up with some of that pineapple salsa. Man alive. The sriracha, the mayonnaise, the whole thing just all works together to elevate your hot dog eating experience. Anyway, babies, you know what I always say? I always say the same thing every week. I say, if you like this crap, please subscribe. If you don't, go up to the iCard and check out my buddy Buzz Barbecue. His name's Jay. He just won some Super Clean from me, and I hope he's gonna make a Super Clean video. I hope he does anyway. But go check him out. He has been making videos lately, but I guess he'll be getting back to it soon. Go check out Buzz Barbecue in the iCard. Subscribe to me, the Root Boy Cooks. And you know, at this point, it's kind of redundant because I'm not doing well in my YouTube journey, but I don't care. I'm having fun, I'm eating good food, I'm drinking good beer. If you can find this beer, it's the best. Honey Love. I'll show you the can one more time. Honey Love. Tarpon Springs, Tarpon River Brewing. I keep saying Tarpon Springs. Tarpon Springs is a place in Florida. Tarpon River, I don't think there's a place. That's the brewery. Crisp with a light sweet finish and aroma of orange blossoms. Smooth, but it carries a sting because it's got a high ABV. So if you drink about 2 or 3 of those, you're gonna be in the bag. So I'm just warning you now. Anyway, babies, that's my video. We'll see you next week. Bye!